Hi, this is Guy from Permobil. Keeping your wheelchair and its accessories clean and disinfected is an important but often overlooked part of routine maintenance. It can help ensure your product look good, continue to function well, and most importantly, it can help to limit the spread of bacteria and viruses. Today we will take a look at how to clean some of the most common Permobil products. For ROHO line of cushions, remove the hook fastener pieces from the bottom of the cover. Proceed by removing the cover from the cushion and wash with light colors. You may either machine wash the cover in cold water with mild detergent on the gentle cycle or wipe the cover clean with a neutral detergent and warm water. Once you have the cover cleaned, tumble dry on low. After thorough cleaning, surfaces which come into direct contact with the user or caregivers can be treated with an EPA-registered disinfectant. Always remember to follow manufacturer's instruction for the product you are using. To disinfect the cover after cleaning, hand wash the cover in cold water using 1 part household liquid bleach per 9 parts water. Keep the cover wet with bleach solution for 10 minutes, then rinse thoroughly or machine wash in hot water. Then tumble dry on low. It's important to remember to also clean the cushion itself. With the cover still removed, make sure to close all the inflation valves on the cushion and place the cushion in a large sink. Hand wash using a mild liquid hand soap, hand dishwashing liquid laundry detergent, or a multi-purpose detergent. Use a soft plastic bristle brush, sponge or cloth, and gently scrub all the surfaces until clean. Rinse with fresh water and allow to air dry. To disinfect the cushion after cleaning, mix 1 part liquid bleach per 9 parts water. Keep the product wet with the bleach solution for 10 minutes and then rinse thoroughly with clean water. Hang and allow to air dry. For a comfort line of cushions, remove the cover from the cushion prior to the washing or drying. To hand wash, use warm water, mild detergent, and make sure to rinse thoroughly with clean water. Allow to air dry completely before using. To machine wash, use a common laundry detergent and then tumble dry on low. During the cleaning, make sure to not steam clean, autoclave, or iron the cover. To disinfect the cover after cleaning, machine wash the cover in hot water using common laundry detergent. Tumble dry on low. Remember to also wash the foam cushions itself. With the cover still removed, wipe down the foam lightly with a damp cloth, making sure not to use soap. Once clean, let the cushion air dry completely. Please note that the disinfectants are not effective on porous surfaces such as foam. We hope that this video has been helpful, and remember to always refer to your owner manual for cleaning and care recommendations for your specific product. If you have any questions, please reach out to your dealer or contact the Permobil customer care team.